All right, good afternoon. We're back live. TradingView has finally fixed my recording. So thank you, TradingView, for fixing my recording. I want to get that live stream. I'm waiting on that. So if you can come around that, I saw the video on YouTube. Hook a brother up. Anyway, we'll love to stream my videos live, but I'll take what I can get. So anyway, what a day, what a day, what a day. Hope you guys catch the morning brew this morning. It's on the link below. Amazing, beautiful, beautiful setups. A lot of those setups went through. Today's going to put the follow up. A lot of those setups are waiting on the Fed. Remember, Chairman Powell is speaking today. It's going to be a very volatile session. So let's see. And we have a lot cooking right now. Amazon's about to explode because they just announced that they're going to increase Prime. So that's what I've been saying all last couple of weeks. If they increase Prime, we're waiting on news, and that's what we need. Amazon's about to go. So watch it. But let's get to it. Let's jump to it. All right. So what do we got? S&P, like I said this morning, we were high up in here, pulling back. We wanted the highs of yesterday to hold. We're holding right there. Is setting up nicely. So just wait, be patient. All right. If we take out 46.35, now it's going to be a very, very volatile session. If the 15-minute charts is you can't handle it, go to the hourlies, okay? Pull back. But there's going to be a lot of whipsaw going into it. I suspect it's probably going to go into after the Fed. Now, I said that this morning. If you didn't catch it, nothing's going to change. The only thing that's going to move the markets if in the Q&A sessions at 2:30, if they talk about the jobs and they talk about the yields. Now, if Powell says they're going to move it forward, then that might be, so anyway, pay attention. There's going to be a lot of volatility. Now, how do we know it's a breakout? 46.35. We got to bounce off the 50. MACD bounce. If we can take out 46.35, we're going to go. We're going to rip. Now, the offset, if they don't like what he has, check out this 46.13. And then we got this 45.95 on the downside. And you'll know because the MACD will start rolling down and the break of the 50. So watch it. Okay, NASDAQ, same type of thing. Now, all three are all-time highs, okay? NASDAQ, we're right there. Oh, there goes Amazon. I told you. All right, so here we go. NASDAQ, it's 1587, same type of thing. I want to see NASDAQ pull back. They're expecting this to rip. Okay, so just watch it. I would like it pull back a little bit more. Russell, this was the home run this morning. You have to catch the morning brew, guys. This is the home run. We said this was going to set up right before. Bounce off the 50, bounce off the MACD 0, and booyah, gone. That was a home run. That was a trade before the session or before the lunch hour. Okay, Alphabet setting up. Alphabet likes to move on the Fed announcement. So watch this high of 29.32, right? If it bounces, it's right there, guys. Set it up. If we can, now, first, we're going to have to take out this 29.20, boom, to get it going, this 29.33. All right. Amazon, you got to get in. It's in. You got to get in. It's in. Boom, down. It's probably going to go to 33.80. They like what you just heard. I've been saying it. If they increase Prime, it's going to go. Boom, it's gone. All right, Tesla having an inside day, today. Let's see if it goes. We're at all-time highs. Now, the market maker is taking the premiums out. I've noticed that at 1190. If 1190, it goes back up there, the premiums will be back at it, and this thing could run past 1210. But we're right there. Just watch it. Key level downstairs at 1152 and 1148. All right, ISRG holding. Let's see if we can take out this high of 362, 365, really hard. Okay. Chipotle, they're taking it down. Okay, just taking it down. Let's move on. So watch it. Let's move on. Okay, Roku. No, did I get Roku? No. Okay, we have MicroStrategies. Bitcoin. Just waiting on Bitcoin. Bitcoin's having a hard time getting back to all-time high. So, it tried to go, but watch it. I don't like the action here, but you have to watch Bitcoin. Shopify, they're taking it down. Couldn't go. They're taking it down. Let's see if it can recoup to the 50. It tried to go to the 50 early morning, couldn't go. Okay, Netflix having an inside day, very whipsaw. You got to catch the morning brew. I already talked about this. You had an entry here, but it looks like it's dying down. You have to take out these headwinds of 687 and 690 to really get it going. But 676 is a pretty strong level. All right, you got Roku. Roku announces today after earnings, they're taking it down. So does someone know something? Possibly. I don't know. Holding that 300 level, 350 on top is hard. If they don't like what they hear, is their ad revenue affected as well? If it is, it could drop. All right. NVIDIA had a monster run yesterday. This is a bull trap. So, guys, they made a lot of money here. So they're taking it down. Just waiting on news. Watch it, how it reacts at the 50. A lot of people, FOMO buying, going to buy it. It's going to consolidate here for a little bit, right? See how it reacts there. MACDs are turning. If it turns down, it drops lower. But if it goes up, it could maybe break out, but you're right there. It needs to take out that 266 and 267 to really get it going. So chill, wait, let it set up. Mercado Libre, guys, I gave it to you all week or last week. I said, guys, this has a lot of upside potential, and it's gone. A lot is taking out those headwinds, right? So 1528, we gave to you that at 1508. We're up about a 20-point ripper. Boom, done. Apple, I said it was going to consolidate. Probably stay in this range. Just have it because people like it. This is easy. Oil, 218. If we break, 218 is hard. 228 on top. All right. What else we got? Goldman Sachs working lower, so this is going to drag the S&P down. So Goldman's down about 590. VIX is 16. We got S&P slightly down, so not too bad. If Goldman reverses and takes out 421, then we're going to rip higher. So watch Goldman, watch Apple. Affirm taking off. Okay, we kind of gave this up, kind of a bounce off the 50 here. But you got a lot of headwinds on top of 163. So watch that level up there. Upstart, they're taking it down. Yeah, they're taking it down. So again, this is a bounce down. MACD's it's just going lower. Watch this area of 318 on the downside. HubSpot, they're taking it down. I'm getting ready to start trading this. But yeah, they're taking it down. Let it take it down. Let it take it down. Let's see if we get a reversal in there. Zoom. Nice little rally off this 276. Very hard on top, 286. So you can take that trade. Okay. Booking has earnings this week. I don't know what day it has earnings. Let's see, when does it have earnings? Earnings. Whoa, let me get this auto adjust. Earnings is today. I don't know if they had earnings. Is it after? It might be after. So keep track of that. That's probably not going to move. Well, they're taking it down. So it's probably going to hold 24-21. Again, 50-50 split on earnings. I don't know what's going to happen. ServiceNow, they're taking it down. I don't know. This thing has monster upgrades, 800 level. So they're taking it down. Let them take it down. And we'll wait and see. Now let's see if it can take out this 689, 700 really hard on top. But I like this basing pattern right here. Let it base. Coinbase has earnings not Friday, next week sometime. They're taking it down because Bitcoin is going down. So they're 345. Watch it. I think it could rally into earnings. Just wait and see. Wait and see. All right. What else do we have? That's all we got, guys. So VIX is down a little bit. We like that. Watch that. This is creeping up. I don't like that, but if it stays in this range, we're okay. Other than that, let's see. GameStop took off this morning. Don't get caught, guys. I did a video. It's on the I don't know where it is at. Just look me up on one of the links. How to avoid FOMO trading. Again, this is the move was this morning. This afternoon, you're getting slaughtered unless you took the downside. What else do we got? We have VIX. All right. This can go higher or lower. Wait and see. The 230 is a magic hour. Expect a lot of volatility. Guys, hang tight. Go green. Stay safe and only trade if it makes sense to you and you're positive about it. Trade it. But again, I'm trying to give you some structure in your trades. Trade accordingly. Let's build some high probability trades together. Guys, if you like this, do me a favor. Press that like button. Share this stuff. Let's share the abundance mindset. And God bless, guys. All right. Take care. Stay green.